you can add large images. So for decoration we can add large images, or you can tile your background. The choice is yours. Or we can use tiles as a background, or we can add large images also. Just make sure you never run out of the sky. Obviously, using larger images is going to mean the following for your app. So there is a drawback of also a drawback of using large images to app. First is it takes up more memory. Second is it takes a little longer to load levels. That means when we are using mobile processors, so there is a memory constraint, then there is a processor constraint also. That means it takes a little longer to load these levels. Now set the background to a Z order of something like -10, just to ensure that you never accidentally put something behind it, and create a group in your hierarchy called backdrop. Parallax scrolling with perspective. If you want to get really fancy, you might decide to use another extra trick, parallax scrolling. You may have noticed that the inspector allows you to change not only the x and y coordinates of objects but also the z coordinates. The simple answer is that under some circumstances, you may want to change the z position of an element in order to create 3D effect. To demonstrate, select the backdrop you just created and change z coordinates in inspector to 3D. Now select the camera and in the inspector click the drop down menu called projection. Change this from orthographic to perspective. Now click play and see what happens. You should find that sky now appears further away and moves much more slowly than the rest of the level. You just created a parallax scrolling effect. So this was a parallax scrolling effect. The best way to illustrate what is happening here is to switch the scene window into 3D mode. Click the 2D button along the top to toggle between the two modes, and you should see something. So you can toggle between 3D and 2D mode also. In short, we now have a 3D perspective looking head on at a purely 2D elements arranged in a 3D space. There are a lot of cool things you can do with this, and you can add as many layers and elements as you like. You could even have translucent clouds passing in the foreground or rolling hills moving at another speed in the middle distance.